What's up, guys? So today I'm recording my apartment tour, so let's get started. So this is the entryway of my apartment right here. I just have like a mirror right here. I am chilling today, so do not really look at me. Right here I have my coat closet, so I have some coats in there. My Christmas tree's right there, and then on the ground I have like my shoes, but they're not organized, so we're not going to show that. Right here is my little hooks that I keep like my keys on and stuff, and my badge for work. This is my dining room table. I keep my work bag there, and then I just have like some stuff from like, you know, life. There's my clock. It doesn't have any batteries in it, but I keep it on 5 o'clock because it's always 5 o'clock somewhere. This is my living room right there. My sectional couch that I've been had. This is my tall mirror from IKEA. And my little tree I've had for like 2 years. And that's my view. I'm not going to show it completely because I don't want you guys seeing where exactly I live. And I'm just watching 21 Jump Street right there. So if we continue going, I just have, right here, I just have like a little table with my picture of my dog that passed away, little Bentley, and that's there. And then I have right here just a little hanging piece with some pictures of my family there. So I really think this is cute. Love this. I got this from TJ Maxx, I think, or Marshall's, one of the two. Right here I have my degrees hanging up, my master's degree and my bachelor's degree. Want some stuff? This is my cute little kitchen right here. Fits everything perfectly just for me, so that's awesome. And then I have a little painting there. I don't even drink coffee, but thought I added a nice little touch to the whole place. And then I have a little eat, laugh, live thing that like every girl almost has. Right here I have a little closet that holds like all of my bathroom stuff, candles and everything like that. And here is my little makeup room slash bathroom. So this is where I get ready in the morning. I sit here at this little bench, put a little rug there, and have my mirrors to do my makeup, and I keep my makeup like right there and behind these mirrors. They open, so it's more storage. So that's that. And then this is my bathroom right here. So it's just gray is the theme throughout my apartment, if you haven't guessed. And right here is my bedroom. I just have some little mirror things right there, my nightstands and my bedding. I have a gray rug there in front with my TV, and I have another tall mirror there, and I have a tree that lights up perfect for nighttime. Then up there I have little candles that light up as well. And then here's the second part of my view I can see, and then my dresser with just some body stuff on top. And then this is my walk-in closet. So it goes all the way back, has a lot of storage in here, and yeah, that's basically my room. I'll do like a little overview. So yeah, that's my room. So that's basically my apartment as a whole. I love this place. It's so cozy and nice. I just sit here right on my couch and just watch my TV from there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more content. See you next time.